everyone, as you know at the Children's Toy Fund we buy a lot of stuffed animals. So far this year we've given away 631 stuffed animals, and that is not enough to get us through the end of the year. So we bought some more.
So in here is 358 stuffed animals that we'll be sorting here in a little bit. This will get us through until Christmas time. And we are about to announce the exciting news that we're renewing our bear drive this year. So our second annual bear drive will take place. It's going to begin November 1st. So look out for that information. It will run through the first week of December. And you'll have the opportunity to partner with us and buy some incredible stuffed animals that will bring a lot of joy to our local community this holiday season.